Hello everybody, we're here at the Pebble Beach Tour d'Elegance. I'm here with my friend Michael Lemke, and we're looking at the world's most original Jaguar XK120 alloy. What do you think, Michael?
It's overwhelming. I mean, it's just, I can't stop looking at it.
Yeah.
I could check every bolt. It is all original. It is the lowest mileage Jaguar I've ever seen. It has 1,006 miles from new.
Right.
I mean, it's a 50s car, and it's one of the first 150 alloy bodies.
Yes.
So, and it's all, we just verified everything. It has the original owner's manual set, still sealed in the envelope.
Yeah.
It has the original complete tool roll.
Yeah.
And we can't get any better than this. And
Pretty
all the
incredible.
parts, I mean, we see how they were made.
It's
and
pretty incredible.
They have a few extra things on it.
Yeah, let's get into the details.
Yeah. And is that an XK120 over there?
Hey, let's see. What do you think? I think it's an alloy. We're familiar with those.
Another one, you just drove one.
An alloy, that you can tell by, because you see the big pieces of rubber underneath the windscreen?
Ah, yeah.
That's only an aluminum body feature.
Look at the shape of the fenders. It is just clear coat, or what is it?
That's the original nitrocellulose paint.
It's not.
Oh my God. I found you. You continue.
So Michael, this one's for the preservation class.
That's the one.
This is preservation,
Yeah.
so likely a lot of original fits and finishes. These are dueling cell phones here. Yeah. Looks like wow, is that original interior? No way.
That looks too new. That looks
No
too
way.
new.
1,000 original miles on it.
Which
Sorry?
one? This one.
What?
How do you know?
Huh?
How do you know?
Because I own it.
You own
Really?
it? Really?
Congratulations,
Wow.
sir. Well done. Thanks for bringing
So
your
tell
car
us
to Pebble
more.
Beach.
Tell us more about it.
Well, it belonged to my brother.
Wow.
My brother bought it for at 450 miles from a guy up in Tenferen racetrack in '69.
Yeah.
Stored it away himself. Put a 600 miles on it. Got it up to 1,000 miles.
Yeah.
Realized that its characteristic is not being driven.
Yeah.
That's what makes it special.
Wow.
So he
Can't believe that.
Salted it away and then died about 3 years ago and left it to me.
Wow. Wow. What a story.
Huh?
So what year is it? 51 or?
It's a 1950 alloy. It's one of the first 186 cars which were made out of all aluminum.
Yeah. What number is it?
I think it's 184.
Okay, one of the latest.
It should be in the write-up. It should be in the. I was wondering if there's a
So
program.
if that has the low mileage and everything, do we have all the accessories with it? We have seen an alloy body in the top 100. I think 88 that was.
Yeah, 88.
And then he also said they had a toolbox, everything. Did this car
Oh,
all
yeah, this
that?
says all the tool roll.
Really?
It even has an envelope that says "Deliver to ultimate owner," and it's still sealed.
Oh my God.
Wow, can we see? Is that in here? So that's a preservation car, really. And that's the original paint. Amore, I mean, this is. Oh, nimm mal andere Handy. Scheiße, ist ausgegangen. Ist ausgegangen.
Holy moly, look at the spares
That's a box. And that's a tool roller. Nimm mal auf.
This is
The tire.
the original
The tire.
Dunlop Road Speed.
Oh my God.
Never been used.
So
Well
that
done.
is.
This is the original article that Mark Miller wrote about this.
Okay.
Bob Tucker's amazing XK120.
That's you.
No,
No,
my
that's your brother.
This
Your
is
brother then.
My brother that passed away.
So when was this? In 94.
Yeah.
Yeah.
94. So,
Well done.
So it
That is what we have seen at.
came with the parts kit.
Oh, look at
And
that.
this is the envelope. Says,
Oh,
Holy moly.
says
that's a
this
bit-
wallet contains instructions for the ultimate owner intact.
mein Lufthansa. Scheiße.
Still sealed up.
Gut, dass du aufgenommen hast.
Yeah.
Wow, can we have a look
Still
in here?
sealed up.
Look at that. Oh, look at the hoses. And the oil filter wrapped up. See that oil filter wrapped up?
Oh, yeah, the toolkit.
That toolkit, can you unroll that?
Look at the oil filter wrapped up.
Oh, and it's the original Tekalimit.
This thing was usually the dealer usually stole all the parts out because
Yes, you're right. That's why they are so
They
rare.
didn't have any parts.
That's why it's so rare.
Yeah, it is pretty
It's
rare.
so amazing. We've seen the second one in my life
Yeah.
in the last 5 days
Yeah,
only.
yeah.
Is that right?
Can you unroll the tool roll?
Michael's having so much fun here. This is amazing.
That looks. I mean, that's benchmarking here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is definitely.
That is
Yeah, you're right.
how. So if there are people out there who want to collect a tool roll, an original one, this is the one how it needs to look. Can we get that right?
Whoa! Look at
That's
that.
interesting.
That's a Shelley written on it.
Screwdriver. I think it is.
It's written Shelley on it. You see that? Yeah, there's Shelley there. And the small. You see how short they
Yeah,
are?
and you see the shine of the blue
Yep,
shine you're
yep,
talking
yep,
about on
yep.
the
And you see how-
spanners.
Are you guys experts in toolkits?
Yeah.
Oh, you are.
Yeah. That was my passion years ago.
Oh.
So you see the small because these are all short ones, and usually when they rebuild them, they have longer ones, but they need to be very very short
I don't. Yeah.
because they were also accommodated in the other Jags, which had the toolbox in the
In
door,
the door.
panel.
That's what you're saying. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you, sir. Outstanding presentation.
How
I
do
think-
you preserve the car? Is it in a vacuum tent,
Pardon?
or how do you preserve the car? Are they in
Just
a
storage. You just park.
in a dry place or?
Oh yes, of course.
Yes. Well, that's a jewel.
Yeah. Look at the beading here. It's been like painted, I believe. See, and then fastened
No, this
all
is
the way
rubber.
around.
This is rubber.
Yeah, it's been
This
painted.
is the seal.
It's painted with the same nitrocellulose. And you see all the inner panels are black.
Wow. I mean, how often do you see this?
Never. Look how
Never.
nice the original.
Exactly. Never.
This T-bar should actually be right here.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah.
That's for the spades.
Can we please see under the hood? It would make
What's
my day.
interesting, people have criticized. See, this chrome. you
Yeah.
know? And they say, "Oh, that was never chromed. You know, you re-chromed it." But that's not
Yeah.
true.
Okay.
And it's like the later
Oh, yeah,
ones.
look
I
at
don't
that.
think the later one. The
Okay.
post never was chromed, but the first ones were.
Yeah,
They
this
were.
is proof.
And even the bows of the top are all chromed inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see. So it is the original seats.
Yeah.
original leather
yeah,
interior.
Yeah, the original top.
Oh, that
This is
Thank you for showing
outstanding.
this.
Whoa, look at that.
Wow. Look at this
Want
here.
somebody to get the
Look at this here.
This? Want this?
Jerry, let me put the hood.
Oh, that's what I was
Yeah.
looking for you.
Yeah, let me get in here real quick. Yeah. Up a little, please. Okay, down. Now you got it.
These
Wow.
carburetors, the later ones had this thing only about that high.
Yeah.
So these, you can tell that these are very old carburetors.
And what else? So this is still the original. Where's Richard? Richard,
that-
do you
and
see this here?
Yeah, it's painted.
No, so it is red underneath
Yeah.
and black on top.
Yeah.
And you know what people do? They just have it all orange.
Oh, okay.
Because they think it was orange, but it is orange underneath, and it comes off.
The-
The later hood, this was a strengthener. The later these cracked right here, and the later aluminum hoods had a strengthening piece across here.
Okay.
Take care of that.
So what a sticker is that?
That's the original importer, International Motors of Hollywood, I think.
So well preserved.
yeah, this is
Well, I had
outstanding.
to add these for the for the trip. I was afraid
Cooling, yeah.
there's
The wood-
full of holes on the side.
Yeah,
Air comes in and just leaves before it gets to the radiator.
that's a good idea.
I wanted to get through this trip.
Wow. Outstanding. Thanks for sharing your car and bringing it today. Look at the original clamps here.
And you know,
holes.
the later 120s that had a bolt here, a bolt
Yeah,
here,
that's
and a bolt
right.
here.
Yeah.
It's called the studless.
This is
Studless.
yeah, studs. It leaked, you know, so they added some studs.
Let's see, can we see the cylinder head stamping?
There, yeah.
Is it A?
Yeah, it is A.
Oh, look at that.
A to something.
283. This is a 283rd
And of course, the later ones,
cylinder
once
head.
they added turn signalers, had that little red thing here.
Yep.
Oh yeah, the Telltale. Amazing car. Thank you for sharing it and bringing it to Pebble
awesome.
Beach.
This,
Wow.
this little rubber thing, I've never seen this on the hood. I've seen them always, they drilled holes
Right,
in here,
okay.
but the later ones had the bumpers down here, not up there. Or maybe
I like also the chrome stick
yes,
for the
they've
bonnet.
been- the people have been accused of, they accused Bob of
Nah.
chroming something that wasn't originally chrome.
Yeah.
So he stopped showing it.
Okay.
He said, they're going to accuse me of lying about it.
Yeah.
The framework is that chrome.
Yeah, chromed hood bows. There's been lots of discussion about that, so there's proof. Look at the way the rear window's inlaid. Wow, what a car. The original dashboard, steering wheel,
I mean, is one
carpet.
How many miles can you read there?
1,000 miles.
That's it, original.
1,000 original miles, Michael.
That is the lowest mileage Jaguar I've ever seen.
Ha ha ha.
And it's one of the oldest, actually.
Yeah.
Well, here, I'll open that.
I don't Richard, what is in here?
That's the pocket, the
restoration
door.
parts, you know, because this little thing pulls.
Yeah.
It's the map
Oh.
pocket.
Yeah,
Proper
there's
pockets.
quite a big pocket there.
Yeah. Wow. That's for all the maps and stuff
Yeah.
you need.
Book dealer.
Okay.
Oh, look, the seat frames are chrome, Michael.
Yes, yes. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
I thought they were, yes.
Yes.
You see that?
That's
Oh,
very
look at
unusual.
that.
It strikes me as very
So
unusual.
guys, look here, something to learn.
I mean, they never did that later because
No.
because who needs that expense, you know?
Yeah.
Right. It actually looks like it's a little bit of both. It was only chromed on the outer.
On the outside. Oh,
Yeah.
maybe not polished on the outside
The
then.
ones I have was just black.
Yeah. And the chromed knob there too. The lever's chromed.
Yep. Nice.
Outstanding. Well, thanks for sharing. I don't think it gets any better than this in
No.
the preservation class.
Definitely.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. Yeah,
That's
All right, how cool was that? Checking out the world's most original XK120 LA. So nice of the owner to share it with us. Open the toolbox, the spares box,
Awesome.
show you the original tool roll.
yeah. And he mentioned it was Mark Miller wrote an article.
That's right,
In
yeah.
the '94
Yeah.
magazine.
Yeah.
And he described this car in '94
Yeah.
as something special.
Brilliant.
And how crazy is that? 30 years later,
Here it is.
we discover it here.
Awesome.
What
Okay.
a luck.
Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.